All right, guys, so we are out here at Campers Inn in Woodstock, one of our favorite dealerships, and they are just stocked to the brim. We're going to be looking at this Cardinal LX, but I can't find Mel anywhere, and I don't know if she's in something. I heard her kind of mumbling. Are you in there?
Hello.
Oh.
Where are you? Hi, guys. Welcome to Home on the Hitch. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the like button and leave us a comment.
Get out of there.
What?
It's the Forrest River Cardinal LX 390 FBX. Very nice.
Hey, guys. So today we're in this Cardinal LX.
Yeah.
This is gorgeous. I like the light interior.
That's
It's a really nice full-time couple's fifth wheel.
Yeah. Rig.
This table folds down, plus it has a leaf.
Yeah.
Really like that. It has this giant L-shaped kitchen that has this nifty little scrap slash
Yeah,
trash.
we'll look at that when we go. There's a trash can in that compartment down there, which is accessed outside. So you just scrape all your scraps in there. And
Right, and it hides your trash can for in here.
yeah, that's pretty good.
But there's tons of cabinet space in here. There's a convection microwave oven, a residential stove. This is not the Insignia, but the Greystone.
Yeah,
Huge cabinets, seed glass.
yeah.
I like this double farm style sink.
I do
This is
like
really
those.
nice.
Yeah.
With a window to look out, because you know you get bored while
Well,
you're washing dishes.
Yeah, while you're doing your thing, you know.
And they have a little spice rack. That's a cute touch. But check out this pantry. Look at this.
Yeah,
You have all the
lots of
space.
space.
And you have room for a regular trash can there
Yeah.
also. So you don't have to use that.
Very nice.
Check
Yeah.
out this residential style hair refrigerator.
Yeah.
I like the double doors on the side. And then you have the double drawer freezer.
Yeah,
So
it's got
that's
a lot
nice.
it's got a lot of freezer space, so that's nice, yeah. Looks like all the, I don't know, and we'll have to look in the bedroom. I think all the air conditioners ducted. I think there's 2. All right.
The lighting in here is interesting. It has like a little marble piece under it.
Oh yeah. Let me see if I can see that. That's pretty cool. Mm-hmm. I guess the windows got shades, dark shades.
They do. They have a sunscreen, and then your privacy shade.
Ah, very nice. Yeah.
These are very nice.
And the quality's good.
There's a ceiling fan in here, which, I mean, that's always a plus, right?
Find that up there on the ceiling.
And then you have your massive TV and place to put your homey pictures and things.
Pictures of your homies.
And I like the fireplace. And another great thing is
Yeah.
all of the vents are in the walls or in
cool.
the ceiling.
Yeah.
So there's nothing in the floor. There's no carpet on the floor in this rig at all. I like the modern colors that they're using in here, and it's very neutral.
The cowboy furniture.
I'm not a fan of this furniture though. It's
No,
cute.
I like it, kind of. I think I don't like
Right.
I don't like these chairs.
Yeah, those are. I don't really like that pattern either. And then you have
Moving on up.
this super large half
Oh, okay.
bath.
Gotcha. Noisy in here.
With this deep sink area.
Yeah.
And then here's your washer and dryer. Look
Washer
at
and
that.
dryer, and that is a
Stackable space.
stackable area, and it's a really big compartment. So plugs up there for both. Drainage there.
Okay, so welcome to the master bedroom. This
Yeah.
is a master suite, I think is what they actually said.
They call it.
Yes. But look, check out this interesting little tidbit. It is a space
Yeah,
heater.
it looks. Yeah. So I mean.
And possibly some kind of circulating fan. We'll have to look into that.
Well, I think that I'm sure that it is. It's a fan. We'll have to look that up, but it is definitely. See the fins? It is a space heater. So that's pretty cool because a lot of times use when it's not super cold, I'll use little space heaters in the bedrooms and stuff, and this one is built in.
Or your fireplace.
And the fan that's in it looks like one of the the blower motor fan, so I bet it puts out a lot of air. Really gonna have to kind of look that up. But if you want to look it up yourself, it's called a Cadet.
So they have a sliding barn door here for your privacy.
Yeah. Nice. That's a nice barn door. That's a nice door.
So,
Yeah.
the one thing that is in this rig that we don't like are the plastic
I can't stand
countertops
that.
with the faux live
Hate it.
edge on it.
Hate it, hate
It
it.
is quite horrible.
Why do y'all do that? Because there's not a whole lot of people that like it. I don't think.
No, I think
And-
it's very dating.
It's gonna date your rig because you're gonna have to take that off and change it because that's bad.
And probably sooner than you think.
Yeah.
But it does have very adequate storage space in
Yeah.
this whole RV. The drawers in here are well made. They're deep. They have a little cabinet here that's a
Deep
pass-through
drawers.
cabinet
Yeah.
to the bathroom.
Yeah.
And there's a plug there so you could easily hide your CPAP machine.
Yeah. What is that? It's kind of weird. Okay, so that I don't necessarily. Okay, yes, I do. So the thing is, come around here.
Oh, I can't get to that.
Yeah. I mean,
I can't get to that standing on the
all
toilet.
right. I mean, so what's the purpose of that cabinet?
So this is just so you can access it, I guess, if you need to, but it's really
It's an
meant.
escape hatch.
It's really meant to be
All right, I'm
accessed
gonna
from the
crawl
bedroom.
through there.
Yeah, okay. I'll hold the camera.
Live in real life tours. And I don't think, is there underbed storage? No.
Yes.
Is there? Oh, there is. Okay. Other chairs.
Oh, and the two extra
Yep, yep.
chairs. Awesome.
Okay, cool.
Ow.
Owie. Horrible mattress, by the way.
So here is, I mean, just tons of
Nice
room.
hanging.
Well, these aren't hanging, but these are.
Okay.
Barn
Sliding door.
sliding door. It has these cool little latches on here that
Awesome.
really are very secure.
Love it.
Here is your giant pass-through
Pass through.
wardrobe, but I like the way that they hung the bars in here.
Yeah.
They're
like
or vertical.
Oh, different.
versus
That's different,
horizontal.
yeah.
So that you can, it's less stress on the rod,
That's true. It's a shorter distance, so.
so you can hang stuff and,
Right.
and it fits in there. Yeah. Prime pooping position.
Yeah, you got
You have
nice
a
size shower.
Nice size shower. You can
Nice
sit.
size shower.
Nice size shower, and you can sit down in it.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Now I can see it. Yeah. Nice pictures.
Double sink bathroom.
Yeah.
Big drawer space. Mirrors on both sides. And then you have,
Nice mirror there. Mirror there. That's where the guys get put in the corner.
it's a front bathroom.
That's cool. Yeah, I do like that.
So you have this lovely space here that you could put plants
Yeah.
or,
Well, anything.
whatever.
You set stuff up there and
Yeah.
it could get sunshine. And,
Yeah.
looks like the suggested retail 117 231. At the front tinted window there, right there. Let's see what we got, babe. We got the Kurt Rotaflex. Kurt is Lippert and Lippert is Kurt. But a lot of people use that. It's prepped for generator already with a metal box. It's got a 1,000-watt inverter already wired up in there and that's going to the residential fridge inside. And you've got all the workings there for your level up system. So not a horribly thick baggage door. I mean, that's not an insulated, climate controlled compartment, but none of the baggage doors are really thick. So that kind of bugs me, but it's like you got a light switch right there to kind of illuminate the front. 30-pound tank on this side, 30-pound tank on the other side. Level up is going to be in there. I don't think we can get in there. So gross vehicle weight rating is 15,500 pounds. Looks like we got a cargo carrying capacity of 2715. This thing is riding on 16-inch G-rated Saloon tires, so they put great tires on it already. Let's see, what was that slide there? That was in the bedroom? Yeah.
Yes.
Bedroom slide, that's a Schwintek.
That is the head of the bed.
head of the bed. Now you'll see, that baggage door is not super thick, so I don't know why they did that. But you got your low point drains right there. I do like the fact that the water station is separate from the cargo station. So if you have stuff splashing around in here, you don't have to worry about it. Filter there, and the Nautilus system. Down here in the bottom are your valves for pulling for your gray tanks and sewers. All right, Suburban furnace. Like I said, these are 16-inch G-rated Saloon tires, and these tires are great. I don't think there was any real upgrade. You got a road armor suspension upgrade in there. This slide is a racket pinion slide, so all the slides have slide toppers. The more I look at the slide toppers, the more I think we need some.
I will agree with that.
Yeah, I think
I will agree with that.
So here's that compartment that has a little trash can in it, and then up there, I don't know if you could see, we could see it from inside, but that's the countertop, so you can just kind of rake your scraps in there. There's a cord reel, power cord reel for your 50 amp port. Love it. So it's got a tankless water heater there, and it has, if you look, it's got a fiberglass end cap. It's not just a wall, it's a fiberglass end cap. Ladder, little small hitch there. That's not for towing. That is just
for bicycles.
Yeah. That's pre-wired for the backup camera, as most are. Got another rack and pinion slide on this side. The 32-inch TV over there for outside. But you know what? We never really, I mean, I think it's nice to have, but we don't
use it very often.
We don't ever really watch TV outside.
It has the magnetic.
I do like the magnetic catches. It doesn't take much to put those on, and a lot of people just don't. This huge super slide on this side has got a very long slide topper, and I just wonder how that does, like when it really rains. Solera awning here and there, power awnings. What are these? These are the MoRide step above steps. Now the underbelly armor, this has the, instead of the regular chloroplast, let's see if I can show it, has the panels that you can take loose easily, or easier I should say, and put back in place.
Which I'm so glad to see that they are doing that, because
Yeah.
that is so necessary.
It is.
For maintenance.
All right, so this is the big side of this. Let's see if I can, this thing is huge, man. It's like another bedroom. But it's clean. Yeah, battery disconnects there. Got a little light switch. You can see the aluminum framing, and everything's kind of tucked away pretty nice. So it's pretty clean. Got a lot of space to mount things like inverters and battery banks right there, and I like it.
Very nice. I like it too.
Yeah.
I can crawl in here.
Yeah, but can you get out?
Yeah. Welcome to my level.
Right. What is this all about?
This is Mel's view.
Mel's view of the world. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. I hope you enjoyed the review of this Cardinal. It's a nice unit. So
It's beautiful.
yeah, and they got a lot of stock. If you're in the area here in Woodstock, come by Campers Inn. We're not affiliated with them, but this is one of our favorite dealerships in the area. They are slam jammed with stuff. So, all right, guys, make sure you check out our website, homeonthehitch.com, for info on the Hootenanny, and make sure you subscribe and click all the buttons. So that helps us with YouTube. You can't imagine how much. All right, guys, until next time.
Take care of each other.
Love each other.
And make every moment count.
We'll see you next time, guys.